Today we are gonna making cooking vegetables of Ishkush and aloo potato. Let's see the Ishkush. This is called Ishkush. This is my first time to having opportunity to taste Ishkush. This is Ishkush. I peeled its skin outer layer. Okay, the karai is heating. Let's first. Our technique is first to pour this raw vegetables. By following this technique, the droplets of oil do not come on our hands, so it is much more safer. And after 30 seconds of drying, we pour oil. This is oil. We are going to pour 10 to 15 ml of oil. Okay. Might be 20 ml. First we pour on this. In Nepali it's called daru, in English it's called large spoon, to check the overflow of the oil. Then we pour it on the karai. Okay. After that, we are going to add masala, spices. We are adding 5 gram of salt. 5 gram salt. Then ginger powder, about 2 grams. Ginger powder. And lastly, we are going to add mix of spices. It's mainly domestic. It was taken from my house. My sister transferred here. That's it. Simple. Then we are going to fry it thoroughly. Let's fry with this dadu. Okay, and then cover the lid. Make sure to make low flame to get enough heat. We are going to cover it. If we cover this the heat will accumulate, that is latent heat of expansion, latent heat plus direct heat, and the latent heat is applied, which will be extra benefited in fast cooking, and the food is thoroughly cooked. And we already added half an hour before water, so it's become moist and wet, smooth, and we are going to put the rice. Okay, let's pour it again. To remove impurities, we shake it. After 2 times of removing impurities, we finally add final water. How much water should be added? This is too much, it will overflow after heating. This is better. Cover the lid too. Okay, that's better. We are going to make lemon water. First we cut this lemon in 2 halves, then mixing it, then squeeze it. Sorry, this is the 2 halves of lemon. We are going to squeeze it with each halves on each glass. After squeezing the lemon, we are going to add some salts, NaCl chemical name. After adding some pinch of salt, we are mixing ready for serve. Might be our vegetables is cooked. Let's check it. It's cooked. We are going to eat it. To check it's ripened, it's cooked or not cooked, you press it. If it cut down easily, it's cooked. Yeah, it cut down. So it's ready. It's already cooked. So we are going to turn off the lid of the flame. Main regulator is turned off. Then